In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic updates for Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. This process is useful if you want more control over when updates occur or if you'd prefer to disable them entirely. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First, you need to open up your computer manager. Now, if you're wondering how to get there, one easy way is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and simply typing in Computer Manager. Once it shows up in the search results, click on it to open. With the Computer Manager window open, look for Task Scheduler. It's typically located in the left-hand pane, so navigate there and click on it. You should now see a new set of options. Next, you're going to click on Task Scheduler Library. This is your hub for managing all sorts of scheduled tasks on your system. Now, don't worry if it looks a bit crowded or overwhelming. Stay with me here. In this list, you're going to search for a task labeled Adobe Acrobat Update Task. You might need to scroll a bit to find it, but take your time. This is the task responsible for those automatic updates for Adobe Acrobat. Once you locate it, take your cursor over to it, right-click, and then choose the option Disable. And that's all there is to it. You've now stopped Adobe Acrobat from updating automatically, giving you full control over when and how you update the software in the future. It's as simple as that. Taking control of automatic updates can help you in situations where you might have limited bandwidth or when you're running certain professional applications that require stability without the interruption of new updates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for managing your Adobe Acrobat updates. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more how-to guides that empower you to get the most out of your software. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy computing.